Hi friends. So today we will learn how to configure the interface. So this is my little diagram. So here I have configured everything. So we will see how we configure interface on FortiGate using GUI. So we will go on that uh, our we will go in our FortiGate dashboard. So for interface configuration, we have to go under network, and in network we will click here and we will go in the interface. So we will configure the port channel this. As of now, it is nothing configured here. We will configure this one as per our diagram. We need to configure this one as a WAN side, and the IP will be 10.10.10.1. Okay. So and after that we will try to ping if 10.10.10 is working or not. Okay. So here if you want to like configure any interface, you have to simply click on that interface. Okay, like this. And here you have to give the alias. I am giving the alias name as a WAN interface because we will be using as a WAN interface here. The rule it will be as a WAN interface. Okay. So here we will give the manually IP. We will not use DSCP. So IP will be our 10.10.10.1/24. Okay. So secondary IP we will not give any secondary IP. And what we need to allow here. So this is used for administrative access. If we want to do ping that interface or do SSH or anything, in that case we allow. So we will allow just ping here. Okay, on this interface. And for management access we will allow SSH and HTTP. If we want that one, we will allow that one. Okay. So we will leave other things as it is. If you will see here, it will show what is used for all, like current VDOM setting. If we want to disable, we can disable it, or enable it. Or LLDP, for LLDP we want to disable, we can disable it. And shaping, everything it is there. So here we want to enable this interface, we will click on enable. Okay. Then we will save this interface. So once we will save, the configuration will show here. Port channel 2, if you will see, it is configuration is there. So let's try to ping from another line interface from here to that IP. We will log in here. We will try to ping so IP interface brief. So here this is our LAN IP. So we'll try to ping from here. Yeah. So we will try to ping that 10.10.10.10 IP. So it is pinging. So it's working fine. Okay. So it means our interface is configured properly. Okay. So this was for a GUI configuration. So I did it here. So if we want to configure this interface by a CLI, that we can also do. So let me do that one as well. We will click here. Here we will let me remove everything from here. WAN mode will be LAN, and it will DSCP, and I'm removing everything. We will configure the same thing from the CLI. Okay, so done. Okay, let me log in first. Admin. So we are going to configure the same this interface port channel 2 using CLI. So for taking CLI, you can take the CLI from here. Click here. It will log in directly. No need to go for another CLI. So we will first check. So system. So system interface. Sorry for that. So system interface we'll put question mark, so it will show all the interface. Port channel 2 is not configured with anything. Okay, so we will check a specific one, port channel 2, so it doesn't have any configuration. Okay, to configure this we will go on config system interface. Here we will what we will do, okay, we will go again, and didn't go, copy, we will paste here. Okay, here we will go under edit, we'll do edit port 2. Okay, under port 2 we will first configure set bdom is root. Here bdom not required, we need to put ip address first. So ip address, set ip address 10.10.10.1, and sorry, at 10.1 and 255.255.255.0. Okay, so 10.10, ip is configured, can't change the ip dynamic. Okay, mode, here we have to put static first, then set ip address, sorry, ip 10.10.10.1 255.255.255.0. Okay, ip is configured. Now we have to allow set, allow access. We will allow ping and https and ssh. If you want to allow anything, you can allow other as well. Okay, then we will what we will configure, so we will put, so it will show that what we have configured. So what else we required here, we will configure alias, set alias WAN. Okay, and then the role is when, now it set role WAN. Okay, and we will put show. If you want to check again, you can check by show command. Index is configured when is monitoring bandwidth is enabled. LLDP is also enabled. Device identification is also enabled. WAN physical link SSH is configured. This all configuration done here. So we will try to ping again. Let's see. Okay, so when we will exit, then it will take that configuration. So we can do end, so it will come up. So system interface and port channel 2, so it will show the configuration, and we will go again on that device to initiate the LAN, to initiate the connection for 10. Check, so it is working, it means our interface is configured. If we will go in GUI again, we will close this one, we will go GUI again. Here you can see it is not there anything, but if we will refresh, sorry, under that, if we will refresh, then it will show. So suppose we will go any other interface and then we will come back, so it will show here we have configured by a, CLI, and now it is taking, we can see in GUI as well. And that's it. We can configure the interface like that. If you want, you can configure it. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.